Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to increase the music time on Snapchat so that your sound plays longer in your snaps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, open your Snapchat application. Now here on the camera section, tap on this music icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to show you the Snapchat sounds library in front of you. Over here you will see a bunch of different featured songs. Then you can tap on the option of my favorites in order to see all of the songs that you have added as your favorite. Then we have the trending songs. So basically you need to search for that particular track that you want. So here let's say I want to use this particular track over here. After tapping on this track, Snapchat normally adds only a short clip, but you can expand it manually. After selecting the song, you need to look at the bottom of the screen where the sound timeline appears. You just have to simply hold and drag the timeline left or right to choose the longest possible sections of the track. Snapchat allows up to 60 seconds on some versions and around 10 to 20 seconds on others depending on the update. So if your sound limit is still short, you can switch to the video mode. You can press and hold the record button, and Snapchat gives longer audio time on the recorded snaps than on photo snaps. While recording, the sounds automatically plays on the full length allowed on your device. So when you finish, just tap on the option of this music icon again and you will see the extended timeline where you can fine tune the clip. So this way you will be able to increase the music time on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.